Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be picking some cherries and making some cherry juice.
Need to trim that cherry tree, make your beer better. Too clustered, man. All the cantina there to do this. Have to be careful when you're picking cherries, babe. It scratch a lot.
And there's wasp in there too.
Nah, they just, it's the blossom they're following.
Them still in there though.
Hello. Hello. My hands, man, my hands.
This reminds me of when me and Chantal used to pick cherries when we used to go country with daddy and mommy.
See, you have to pick them up, man.
Hmm?
You are ripe on the babes.
I see a lot of ripe ones up here.
Could have one, you could have fly. Whoa!
It's cherry juice time. Alright, so I'm going to the garden update now. These are the okras and it has some small okras on it. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's right there. This is the gungo peas. Alright, so this is the cucumber and it started to run all over the garden bed. So I decided to use a bamboo trellis to allow it to grow vertically. So all I did was pick up the pieces of the plant and tie it to the trellis. So normally I would have a greenhouse over this, so chances are there wouldn't be any bees going in there to pollinate the female flowers. So I ended up having to hand pollinate, and I'll show you how I did that. Before I get into that, I just want you to know that there are female flowers and there are male flowers. In order to pollinate the female flower, you need the pollen from the male flower to be put into the female flower. And what I did basically was to take off the petals of the male flower and then just rub the pollen that's left on the inside in the female flower. So yeah. To know the difference, the female flower has a premature cucumber below the flower, and the male flower does not have one. I'm going to show you that also when I'm doing it. Okay, so this is what's left after I pick the petals off the male flower. I'm just going to go ahead and place it in the middle of the female flower, and the pollen should come off. If you can see, there's that below the flower is the premature cucumber that hasn't been pollinated as yet. Once it's pollinated, the flower should close and the cucumber should begin to grow. If it's not pollinated properly, then the cucumber won't grow. So I came back the next day to look at the cucumbers, and the flowers were closed. So hopefully that means the cucumber was pollinated properly and it will start growing. This is the Scotch bonnet pepper plant, and there are some Scotch bonnets on it. I saw about 3, so I just need to give those more time to grow and then we can harvest. And we have the corns here. They've gotten bigger, as you can see. Alright, so this is the carrot, and in the top right corner you can see where it's coming from.